Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. Aries, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. So let's start with the general energy, guys. Let's start with these cards here. We have Five of Stars, Knight of Suns and Lady of Suns in reverse. So in your situation, Aries, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So there are a lot of changes happening in your life today, guys, Aries. There are some positive changes and negative changes, but whatever it is something you do not have control over. So you need to accept these changes if you want to move forward and transcend some difficult situation in your life today, guys. So maybe in your work there are some inevitable changes. Maybe there may be some project delays or suspensions, and whatever efforts or whatever you do, you are unable to overcome that situation. So some kind of stress or worries because of that. And I also see that only when you accept the things that you cannot change, you are going to see a solution for your situation, guys, Aries. And I also see that there is something exciting coming up in your situation. So something that looks like a great change or a path or an opportunity for you, but you need to be grounded. You should not get carried away with something that is coming. It may be something huge. It may look like it is going to fulfill all your dreams and fantasies, but you need to be really grounded and do not get carried away in that excitement and make rash decisions. You should not do that. You should think it out clearly, then go for the right choice in your situation today, guys, Aries. And maybe for some of you, I see you traveling to a different place for work. You are getting a promotion maybe, or changing the place of work. So there is some kind of travel. It may be change in residence or travel for work, Aries. And I also see that in your relationship, guys, with this person you love, or it may be in your work, there is someone who is really important to you, who is really close to you, but their intentions are not good. So you have to be really careful with this person, guys. So this person is having some hidden motives, so you need to be aware of that and you need to be really careful with this person, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is the Emperor in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, guys, maybe for some of you, you are quite stubborn, or this person you love, they are quite stubborn. They do not want to consider your point of view, or they do not want to listen to you. Maybe their past or whatever experiences they had in life is holding them back from making some adjustments, maybe going for that understanding. But in a relationship, if you want that relationship to work, you need a mutual love, respect and caring and understanding with each other. Only then it is going to work for you, guys. So you need to carefully consider your situation, then make any decisions, guys. Maybe if you are thinking of marriage or proposal or a deep commitment with this person, you need to think this may not be the right time for you, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is the Burning Tower in reverse. So with this card in your work situation, guys, there are certain things happening in your life today. Something we were speaking about, some inevitable changes, let it be positive or negative, but you do not have any power over these changes. So that is what is happening in your situation today, guys. But we need to understand that if we just have acceptance and go for that adjustment in our situations, things are going to tone down and we are going to feel much more better when we have that acceptance for any situation, let it be positive or negative in our life, guys, Aries. So that is the energy with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card here. That is your first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. The Tinderbox Soldier. So with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you in your situation today, you have a lot of things going on in your mind and you need to make a choice, a wise choice. But the choices you make are going to affect someone in your life, so someone close to you, and that is the reason you are thinking. And if this harsh choice is necessary today for you, and what is the way you are going to benefit or how it is going to affect the other person, and can you live with that choice? So that is what is worrying you today. And maybe the actions we do, we may feel that we are not punished for whatever wrongs or whatever mistakes that we do. We are living happily, but we need to understand that we ourselves know that we have done something wrong in our life. So that is there in our situation. And is it worthwhile to sacrifice our ethics just for some kind of momentary happiness? And can we live with that? Can we live with such sacrifices? Sacrificing our own ethics and ideals and beliefs, whatever we stand for, the good things we have in our heart. So is this choice worth it? Worth giving up all those just for that momentary happiness or joy? So in your situation today, guys, you need to understand that is your ambition getting over you? Is it holding that power over you to decide or make ruthless choices? So you need to think it out clearly, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So in your situation, you are making some harsh decisions for yourself and it is really painful for you. But you need to understand that you can live, you can do things in a much simpler way if you give up your ambitious attitude, guys, in life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Greet the Dawn. So it not only means a new beginning and fresh start in life, it just means that each and every day is a new opportunity to start fresh. So whatever happened yesterday, today we are getting a chance to do things differently. So the light of a new day is an invitation to shine more brightly with love and beauty onto the world. So it may touch others and warm their day. So you don't have to take on the world, you don't have to strive hard. You just have to do your best and do not force things to happen. So the more you force things, there are going to be a lot of conflicts you are going to face today, guys. So you just need to allow your day to unfold as it is and have that sense of acceptance and gratitude for whatever gifts or challenges each and every day brings in our life. So that is what our attitude should be. The way we welcome each day with happiness, with that open arms, welcoming all those challenges and the joy it brings with that happiness and gratitude. So when we do that, things will change for the better, guys. Our positive attitude is going to change the way things are going in our life, and it is what this card is about. That positive attitude we need to have in our life, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.